of 84.33. So it's just a matter of point dun sa consolation. 83.33 kanina, siya ngayon ay 84.33. Would it be Suzanne? Would it be Sally? Or would it be Rosalie? Once again, the second placer garnered an average score. Ano hindi? Magkakulit ka. 84.33% from the College of... Sa tingin niyo, anong college? Wala nang CPM. Wala nang First CP.
Hindi kami college!
Okay, to award the second placer, they call on Mr. Patrick Almaden on stage.
Sana champion si Patty!
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Message ko agad sa server.
Okay. So, garnering an average score of 84.33%, our second placer for the first UMAP Idol from the College of...
Government! Government!
College of...
Governance!
Ano?
Governance!
Anong pisar? College of Computer Science! Miss Rosalie! Okay, so hard, the first place for the information stage. So this is the first place. May I go on stage, Professor Procasio.
Oy! Lahat daw tayo pumunta ng stage pag nanalo si Patty ah. Lahat tayo! Basta lahat tayo.
Garnered an average score of
Sumambling ka sa baba. Sumambling ka sa baba.
90.33%. To be awarded by Professor Ronnie Procasio. The first placer for the first UMAP Idol from the College of Governance